Okay, everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a crescent moon in Sketchup. First of all, we have to make a circle to basic shape, and we can set the radius of this crescent moon around 600 millimeter. Then we can duplicate it to the upper position. We can select it all and move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Okay, we can place on any size on above the position, and then we can push it up around 20 millimeter. Then we can make it group. So then we can make a crescent moon of this circle with the arc, 2-point arc, and then we can set the position of it. We can set the segment maybe around 100 s. So then we can place on the side as we want, or maybe we can repeat it to make it more representative. Okay, maybe we can set this area, then we can erase some unnecessary line. So then we can push it up just a little bit more, around 20 millimeter, and then we can make it group. So then we can make the horizontal shelf with a rectangle. We can make we use rectangle. We use rotated rectangle. Then we can place on the another side, and then we can drag it down around 20 millimeter. Then we can push it up around 350 millimeter. Then we can make group. So then we have to move and control to duplicate it. Then we can place in here, and we can type 2/ and enter, and then we can adjust this short shelf to make a long shelf through the curve of this circle. Anyway, then we can move it down. We can move it down with the move tool. We can place on this corner, and then we can place on this corner. Okay, and then we can select it all. Then we can select the synthetic surface, and we can select Formica laminated like. So then we can rotate it through the red axis. Okay, so then we can rotate it 90 degrees. Then we have to move it up right here. Okay, so then we can make a wall. We need to make a more representative with a rectangle and push it to another side to make it more representative, and push it down. Then we can push it to the another side anyway. Then push it little up, and then we can group. Then so we can move to the upper position, and maybe we can set another color of the wall anyway, so it will make more realistic. Anyway, we can make it more dark than before anyway, to make it more highlighted than before. Okay, we can adjust all of it. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope all of you get a lot of benefit from this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.